Model 68-plate Nissan NV400 Master Se 2.3 DCI Euro 6 ULEZ needs gearbox body, white, panel van mileage, 105,068 engine, 2,298 CCM Nv400 Se transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Duck-in gear needs gearbox replacing, the engine is perfect grin condition summary, bodywork is below average. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features: 0 former keepers, full service history, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £8,995. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119